Hi, I am Atta from Easy Anatomy. In this video, we are going to talk about the muscles of the upper arm. Muscles of the upper arm divide into two compartments, the anterior compartment and the posterior compartment. There are three muscles located in the anterior compartment of the upper arm: biceps brachii, coracobrachialis, and brachialis muscles. Muscle of the posterior compartment of the upper arm contains the triceps brachii muscles. The biceps brachii has two heads, the long head and the short head. Both are the anterior flexor muscles of the elbow joint. The long head of the biceps brachii, it starts from the supraglenoid tubercle of the scapula and insert the radial tuberosity and bicipital aponeurosis. The nerve innervation would be the musculocutaneous nerve from the CO5 and CO6. The axons of the long head of the biceps brachii is flexes and supinates the elbow. The short head of the biceps brachii, it starts from the coracoid process of the scapula and insert to the radial tuberosity. The nerve innervation would be the musculocutaneous nerve from the CO5 and CO6. The axon will be the flexes and supinates the elbow. The coracobrachialis is one of the anterior shoulder joint muscles that form the muscular system's shoulder girdle. It starts from the coracoid process of the scapula and insert to the medial surface and border of the body of the humerus. The nerve innervation would be the musculocutaneous nerve from CO5 to CO7, mainly CO7. The axons of the coracobrachialis, adductions and flexion of the humerus, and assists in retaining the head of the bones in contact with the glenoid cavity. The brachialis muscle, one of the flexor muscle of the elbow joint, covers the front of the elbow joint and the lower half of the humerus. It starts from the anterior distal half of the humerus and inserts the ulnar tuberosity and the anterior surface of the coronoid process. The nerve innervation, the musculocutaneous nerve, CO5 and CO6, and a branch of the radial nerve. The axon would be the flex, the forearm, at the elbow. The triceps brachii, a large upper limb muscle named for its three heads: the lateral head, the long head, and medial head. The triceps brachii is situated on the back of the arm and extends the entire length of the dorsal surface of the humerus. The lateral head of the triceps brachii starts at the posterior surface of the body of the humerus and inside to the olecranon of the ulna. The nerve innervation, radial nerve, CO6 to CO8. The axons would be the extend the forearm at the elbow. The long head of the triceps brachii starts from infraglenoid tuberosity and insert to the olecranon of the ulna. Nerve innervation, radial nerve, CO6 to CO8. The axons would be the extensions of the elbow and adductions of the shoulder. The medial head of the triceps brachii start from the posterior surface of the body of the humerus below the groove for the radial nerve and insert to the olecranon of the ulna. The nerve innervation would be the radial nerve, CO6 TCOH. The action would be to extend the forearm at the elbow